Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Japneet. So today we are going to learn about Chaugun. A quick revision: Ekgun was one beat is equal to one bowl. Dugun was one beat is equal to two bowls. Today we are going to do Chaugun. Chaugun is one beat is equal to four bowls, as the name suggests. So how are we going to count this? One beat is equal to four bowls. So ta thai thai tat a thai thai tat ta thai thai tat a thai thai tat ta thai thai tat a thai thai tat ta thai thai tat a thai 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 tat a thai thai tat ta thai thai tat a thai thai tat ta thai thai tat a thai thai tat ta thai thai tat a thai thai tat ta. That is the sum. So as the name suggests, in Chaugun the speed becomes four times of Ekgun. Okay, in Dugun it was two times. Chaugun, as the name suggests, the speed becomes four times. So अगर आपके system में एक गुण नहीं बैठा है अभी, you will not be able to do Chaugun. So you have to just absorb ta thai thai tat a thai thai tat in your system by practicing ek gun dugun like at least 20 times to try Chaugun. Okay, 20 times every day. Okay. For at least 7 days, okay, and then move to Chaugun. We are not doing any hand movements for now. All we are focusing right now is just on plain footwork, getting that into your system, because जब hand movements करेंगे you will be totally confused कि कब कहाँ क्या जाएगा in coordination with the feet. Okay, so now I'm going to post a video of live riyaz doing Chaugun with Gungru. Okay, so you can practice along with me. Plus I will be posting a separate video with music as usual for your practice. Once you're a little pro and you know avartan kahan se start hua, avartan kahan pe end hua. See you in next class.